This is Jasica with Lavish Locks Hair Company. So I'm going to show you how to create a really long, sophisticated ponytail. It's perfect for any holiday party where you want to change it up. Obviously, I'm going to do it on a wig. So what I'm going to use is, I got this from the beauty supply. It's called Shake and Go. Girl, I don't know. This stuff right here. So it is 30 inches. This color is 530. Yeah, 530 to match, like, I don't know if you can see, but like my hair, it's kind of reddish. Like, let me see, like, turn up the lights. Okay, hopefully that helps. Okay, so I'm gonna create a ponytail. This is my first time doing this. So some things that I'm going to use. Number one, my got to be gel. I actually started liking this gel over the other one when I went. Alright, so we got that on, and I might twist it one more. Add another one for some security. It's not gonna work, this ponytail might be too big. Okay, so what I'm doing is getting me a stiff ponytail back there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take two black rubber bands and I'm just spacing them about this far apart. And you can go around twice if you like. I feel like one is enough. So going down here, so my next one will be like here. And I'm just like eyeballing it. Then take this and I'm going to pull it out, think like a bubble. Okay. That actually needs to be spaced down a little bit. So I pulled it this direction, so now I'm going to pull it the opposite. Okay, first time, not too shabby. Let's see. But first time, not that bad. My takeaways that I would do different, I would make sure my ponytail's a lot more secure. Sorry, a lot more secure at the base. But